Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are doing another college week in my life. Today's actually Tuesday. Monday was Memorial Day or Labor Day, some kind of holiday. And we didn't have school, so I decided not to vlog. I had prep for Rush, so I couldn't really vlog because I was in prep. So today's actually bid day for sorority, so I get to figure out which sorority I'm in. I'm really excited. I want to film a get ready with me for that, and then I just have a ton of homework and stuff to do. I just had a class. Literally hate that class. It is the most boring class. The teacher's voice literally makes me want to cringe and drop the class just because her voice, she's probably a nice person, I'm assuming. Sorry if she's saying this. I just can't pay attention in that class. Thought I'd mention it. Today's prep, I need to get ready. Literally, I haven't gotten ready today. Yeah, but I think I should probably do some of my homework first. Also really hungry and I want to get food, but I have no one to get food with and I don't want to go alone. So that's my dilemma at the moment. Oh, hi, it fell. Okay, I'm gonna eat food and do homework. Hello, update, I just finished my quiz. Got 100%, woohoo. I also wanted to mention that this video is sponsored. I don't ever want to hide that, so mentioning that. Hello, sponsored video. So shout out to Audible for sponsoring this video and helping me pay my tuition. I'm kidding. Actually, I'm not. Okay, anyways, you guys can get a free 30-day trial and your first audiobook for free if you go to www.audible.com/Keegan, or you can text Keegan to 500-500 and you can get, like I said, a free audiobook and a 30-day free trial. Whenever I watch these videos, people always mention an audiobook that is relevant to their lives, and I'm not gonna do that. I've actually listened to this book on Audible when I was 12, and I've been obsessed with it, and I've re-listened to it multiple times since then, and it is If I Stay. If you guys have seen the movie, it's so good. Literally obsessed with it. I watched the movie, then I listened to the audiobook. I listened to If I Stay and Where She Went, and those were so good. Literally, if you need something in your life to just distract you from what's going on. I mean, maybe that's not the right way to say it. If you're cleaning or doing something or you're studying and you just need some background list, you know what it audiobook. And so I totally recommend that book. It's such a girly book. If you guys want a 30-day trial and a free audiobook, like I said, www.audible.com/Keegan, or text Keegan to 500-500. Actually go listen to that book because it's so good. So here is my to-do list for today. I'm actually have so much more to do than just this. This is all I've written down so far. I'm going to do this, and then I'm probably going to start doing some of these things that I need to do because productivity. I just filmed a get ready with me. I talked to you guys and just updated you about sorority rush things. There's a get ready with me for bid day or whatever I don't know, I'm gonna name it. I still have 3 hours before my class, so I think I might do my laundry. And I didn't do any of my other homework besides that quiz because I was just not feeling it. So I think I might separate my clothes, start cleaning them, and while I do that, start writing an essay. But I just don't want to, you know? But I should, but I don't want to. I'm still gonna do it. I'm still gonna get an A. So I should have been doing my essay, but instead I was having a dance party with myself and then cleaning my room and reorganizing all my clothes and doing my laundry and all that stuff. So I mean, I was productive, but not productive for the right productivity. That made no sense, but you know what I mean. This sock was in my laundry and it's not mine, so I just kind of put it there. I don't know.
Hey guys, good day. I'm Sam. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. You're new to my channel. Very clear.
Do you guys want to be in my video? I do.
That's my friend. How do I end this? How do I end it?
I'm actually getting impatient. Sit on it. Hopefully they're okay with me recording this. Can you do this already? Come on. I literally have to pee. I did not expect this.
I knew she was in high five.
I'm not surprised. Hey guys, it's Wednesday, so I just want to apologize for last night because I didn't vlog because I literally left my vlog camera at the sorority house and we left for bid day. I rushed A Chi O, Alpha Chi Omega, This is my shirt. So it was actually so much fun. It was like the weirdest experience. I'm gonna like set, you're like sitting on my bed, like weird. I'm starving right now. So I rushed AKO. Our theme for bid day was 90s theme, and like this was my little sign. How cute. It was really fun. We went to like this mansion. We went to like an alum's house, and it wasn't a house, it was a mansion. Okay, this, I'm changing my major to whatever she does because I want to live like that lifestyle. But it was so much fun. We had like a dance party and it was fun. They gave me so much cute stuff. I just had my class. It was, yeah, annoying. I did not want to be there. I was tired. Still am tired. But I have an essay I need to write that's due tonight that I haven't even started because I've been procrastinating. That's cute. Just kidding, not really. Yeah, I don't know what else. I'm boring. I'm sorry. I literally didn't even brush my hair today. Like, it looked like Albert Einstein when, like, he, like, got electrocuted. Did he get electrocuted or is that just his hair? I don't know. I'm gonna stop talking. It's so loud. Today is Thursday. The day is like almost over. Well, I guess it's like 1 o'clock, so I guess it's not almost over. Okay, guys, story time. I had a shirt on and it was like a shirt that would be like revealing if you had big boobs, but like since I don't, it like was fine. But there was like so much space where like my big boobs should be that like my shirt just kept like overflowing, and then you could just like see everything every time I like leaned over. So I changed into this shirt. I've been doing homework. I've gone to my 2 classes that I have today. I have another one at 3. Like I said, it's like 1:30 right now. I think I just started losing my voice. What the heck? I literally haven't even been talking today. So I did some work and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna take like a 5-minute break and then I'm gonna go right back to work and be productive. And I've been on my phone for like 3 hours now. Okay, 3 hours is an exaggeration, but still, I told myself I was going to start work an hour and a half ago again. That's literally me. I can't take breaks or else I won't ever continue, you know what I mean? I had a bad morning. My roommate and I got in a big fight. It was like a whole thing. Honestly, like, I know some people don't like talking about this stuff, but like it's real, and I just want to show you guys, like, people always assume like everything in my life is perfect and all my relationships are perfect and I like my life together and all that. Like, that's not who I am. Sometimes I overshare, but I just want to show you guys that like literally not everything's as perfect as it seems, and I don't even know why I'm talking about this right now. I should really do my quiz, but my book for the quiz is right there and I'm right here, and that's just so far, you know? Hey, so today's Friday. I didn't vlog much yesterday, as you probably saw. I was like so busy with schoolwork. One of my friends, he was like, you've been so MIA today, and I was like, what? I didn't even, I'm gonna like move so the lighting's better. You're welcome, just for your viewing pleasure. But I just had a class and I took a test, and it was an interior design test, and it was really hard because it literally was like showed you a picture of like a room or a chair, and who was like, who designed this and what movement was it? And I can't be like, oh, like Noodlehead like designed that. Like, that's not how I work. I just saw myself in the mirror and I thought it was a person. Well, it was me, it was a person, but I'm right there. Hi, that's me. And I like freaked out because I was like, oh my god, who's in my room? I got home super late last night, like 6 a.m. So I'm so tired. And I fell down steps last night. So, do we see that bruise? It's literally from here to here. And then there's one down there that it hurts so bad, and I need to shave my leg, but I'm so scared to shave my legs because the bruise. College. And then I need to go to the grocery store and like get food because literally there's nothing in here at all that I want to eat. And then I have homework to do, and I have lunch plans with my friend Maureen. He's like the funnest person. Funnest isn't a word, but he's really fun, and I hope I vlog it because he'll entertain you, I'm sure. I'm so tired. This vlog is so boring. I'm so sorry. I came back from class, I took a shower, I did all that stuff, and I'm just doing homework and stuff like that. I have like some homework problems that I like just can't figure out, and I'm like, why are you like this? I also did not end up getting lunch, so that's lame. So I think that's really all I'm going to be doing today. I might go to Target and find a black shirt for our blackout game. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!